How's it going, guys? It's ThatRedYota, and these are my brand new headlights. So I retrofitted these myself. These are the Morimoto Mini H1 7.0s. I'm using the Apollo 3 shroud, and I have two halos, one 80mm in the front and one 110mm in the back behind the shroud. The halos are RGB, and I really have to say, with the blacked out housings and the way I did the grill, it all looks super sharp. I really love how it turned out. I still have to aim the headlights, but yeah, now I'll do a little demo for you guys. Yeah, guys, that's the new setup. A few things I have to say about the installation. It was very much kind of Legos. You know, you follow the instructions and it goes together really well. The only thing is the instructions were not okay, the ones that they provided were great. I feel like there was some stuff that I kind of ran into where it would have been beneficial to have instruction while putting it together. But in the end, I figured it out, and the guys at the Retrofit source, which is where I ordered the kit from, were incredibly helpful. They completely made up for any confusion I had with directions and then some. This is a H1 projector, and this is a H4 headlamp. So the mounting kit comes with mounting stuff for a H7 headlamp and a H4 headlamp, and obviously H1 comes with it already on. So I have to put this bushing. I'm watching this video from the Retrofit source, but you have to put this kind of urethane thingy on, and this is the H4 adapter. It looks like it. So yeah, that's what we got so far.
Brown wire me.
I'm working on it.
Be nice.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Nice. Alright, we're test firing the solenoid, and it's gonna make a click, hopefully. 1, 2, I'm supposed to do this 40 times. 3, 4, 5. As for the lights themselves, they're generally the brightest lights around. You know, when I'm on the road, not many people have brighter headlights than me. I got a 5500 Kelvin bulb, so it has a really white light. It matches my light bar for the most part, which it looks really crisp. And the beam it's a flat cutoff. How HID projectors work is there's a solenoid that has this little flap cover that I guess goes over about half the projector, and that's just kind of a flat cutoff beam that shoots out kind of from the focal point of the sphere. It cuts off halfway. The top half is kind of blacked out, and then when I test fired the solenoid, 38, 39, and 40. All right, we're good. What that is that's essentially the high beam. The solenoid fires and it uncovers that flap, and then the full beam can shine out from the projector. The halos were interesting to install. You get this little installation wire. It's hard to focus on, but it's almost like the thickness of a hair, and you have to kind of weave it. You have to drill a tiny hole through the shroud, and then you have to weave it through that hole and tie it really tight. It's not glued on or anything. The back one actually just said screw it. You can't really see it. It's behind the shroud. The back one I just said screw it and put some silicone on to hold that in. But yeah, overall those are the new headlights. I haven't had any problems with moisture or anything like that. Yeah, but if you like what you see, if you have any suggestions, if you guys like the Raptor lights, those are pretty fun too. I think those look really nice. Leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll be going off-roading tomorrow morning, so I'll make a little highlight video of that hopefully, and I'm gonna go with some buddies. Should be fun. But yeah, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.